Conestoga high-quality pre-machined cabinet components are valued by professional cabinet makers for their expert engineering and craftsmanship. Conestoga cabinet systems give customers more product options and save time and money. We're going to show you how to build our cabinets using simple tools and basic assembly techniques. Cabinet sides, tops, and bottoms all come with pre-inserted splines used to hold parts together until glue dries. On front frame styles, the side is recessed in the spline groove. On front frame rails, the top and bottom butt against the rails. Glue must be applied to unfinished surfaces any place two parts are joined: front frame styles and rails, female dovetails, the back rabbets of sides, and in grooves of backs. After you've finished assembling a cabinet, use a damp cloth to wipe away any excess glue. Pins or staples are used to fasten the back to the sides, top, and bottom. If a side will be unexposed in the finished kitchen, pin through the sides into the back. If sides are exposed or flush, toenail the back to sides. Have these basics on hand: woodworking glue, rubber mallet, and a pin or staple gun with 1-inch pins or staples. With the front frame face down on a clean flat surface, apply a bead of glue to both sides of the spline groove in the stiles of the front frame. Also, put a bead of glue on both sides of the spline grooves in the rails of the front frame. Now insert the sides into the grooves of the front frame and tap the sides down. On the bottom end of the cabinet, apply glue a third of the way down in the female dovetails of the sides. Now slide the bottom into the female dovetails. The rabbet should face the inside of the cabinet. Tap it into place. At the top end of the cabinet, apply glue 1/3 of the way up in the female dovetails of the sides. Slide in the front strip and tap it into place. Now apply glue about 3 inches down in the female dovetails of the sides. With the rabbet facing into the cabinet, slide the back strip into place. Apply a bead of glue to the tenons on the top and bottom and the inside rabbet on both sides. Insert the back between the rabbets in the sides. Make sure the groove in the back aligns with and captures the tenon in the top and bottom. Push the back strips securely into place against the back of the cabinet. Using the scribe line to guide you, pin or staple the back to the top and bottom. Place the pins or staples no less than every 3 inches. Do the same with the sides and back. Attach the toe plate by applying glue to the top edge, then position and tack it in place on each side. Remember to wipe away any extra glue once your assembly is complete. If you have assembly questions or need more information on Conestoga's cabinet systems, please refer to the contact information shown on this screen.